What's up, y'all? Beautiful home cooks, you understand me? Hey, I almost started singing. I'm so happy. Listen, I'm getting ready to announce the name of the person that's going to get this giveaway. Give me 1 second, though. Well, a little bit more than 1 second. There is going to be another giveaway. You're going to like it. I think I already know what it is. If I can just convince them to give it to you, because I already got mine. Check it out. The person who won this is going to get it mailed directly to them from the company, not even from me. It's not this one. It's brand new in the box. The next giveaway will be the exact same thing. All you have to do, if you already subscribed, I'll tell you about that. Let's just worry about this right here. The name of this person that won this beautiful, beautiful cooking accessory, 𝐂𝐻𝐈𝐊𝐄. I think that's how you say it. If I butchered your name, I'm sorry. But this is how this works. If you watch my videos, you're going to know you won. Only thing you have to do is get in contact with me, notifications, however you got to do it, and boom, it's yours. Now, once we give this away, we'll keep on going. So now my next goal is this. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away something else. Bigger, smaller, who knows? Don't know. You got to keep watching. Keep commenting. Hit that notification so that you know when these videos are coming out. And we doing good. I just got an email just a second ago that said I just hit 3,000 subscribers. Hey, appreciate y'all. Without y'all, I couldn't do this. Hey, matter of fact, nah, I couldn't because wouldn't nobody be here to watch. I'm not making no money from it yet. So, I mean, we still working though, baby. That's all. I'm just happy to be able to teach y'all some different things, and y'all send comments and tell me like when I'm messing up. It don't make no difference. As long as we all cooking and having fun, that's my main thing. Even if you don't cook nothing, just watch me act a fool on YouTube. So Lee, congratulations. This is yours. It's just a giveaway. That's what it is. It's just a giveaway. So just let me know how you like it. Hey, I ain't got nothing else to say. Peace, baby. I'm out.